Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is very important because in this topic we will discuss a very new software which is SPSS. SPSS basically plays a very important role when we talk about the research, and it plays a very keen role in the research function. Whenever a person want to do a research, he must know about the SPSS software. Basically the full form of SPSS is a statistical package for the social sciences. So we will start this software from the scratch, and in this software we will use the basic functions which will help us to understand how the SPSS function works, and how can we make better complex examples from the simple functions. So here you can see in the SPSS we have the two functions, like first one is data view and the second one is variable view. Basically the data view, you can consider it the vertical column, and in the data you can see the horizontal column. But in some sense, like here you can see the variable function. For suppose in this example we want to know the age and the student's name and his mean, median, mode function, and some other functions as well. So how we can calculate in this SPSS software? So first we will just go here in the variable view, and here I just write here the student's name, and here you can see it created the other functions as well. Like if I just write here the student name in the variable function, so you can see here in the data view a column of student name, and if I just write here another like age, so it created another column in the age. Here you can see the two columns, student name and age, and here you can see the two variables. In the first variable, like it says student name, so in the type it has selected by default the numeric. It means if I just write here in the student name any numeric value like 10, so it will accept. And if I just write here the name of any person like Harry, so it will not accept because we have restricted this cell to the numeric. So what we have to do, we have to first write here the or select the string, and in the string function we just select the characters up to 10 and then press here OK. So it will select the function. If I just write here the name of any student like Harry, it will accept. If I just write here the number, so it will also accept. So we just use your string function, and in the decimal we can use here 0, and in the age function we have restricted to the numeric values only, and in the decimal we just write here 0. For the sake of simplicity, we just use the two functions and two columns with the simple value like its name, its type of data, and the decimal. And here I go here in this function, like here you can see the student name and its age. So what I have to do, I have to use some name of this student like Harry and Christopher. If I just write here James, Mark, John, and Michael, Clark, Brian, Steve, and Robert. So these are the name of our students. So here you can see the name of the students in the left alignment. If you want to change the alignment, so you can go here in the center or in the right. So we just write here center for both the functions. So here you can see in the center alignment the name of the students, and in the age function I can just write here the ages of the students, and here just I write the randomly the age of the students like 45, 43, 36, and the last one is 60. So here you can see the name of the students and here you can see the age. Now what we have to do, we have to just use a simple function, and with the help of just one function we will calculate the mean, mode, median, and some different other functions. So how we can use this? We have to go here, and here you can see the tabs, menu tab. In the menu tab we have to just use here the analyze function, and in the analyze function here you can see the descriptive statistics. In the descriptive statistics you can see here the frequencies, so we have to just select the frequencies. After selecting the frequencies, a table will appear. In the table it gives the two columns, like first is student name, here you can see the column student name, and the second is age, here you can see the column age. So we want to calculate the mean, mode, median of the age. So we have to select the cell. You can select and click on it, so it will go here, or you can just drag it. So I'll just drag it here for the function, so it means it will calculate the functions, or it will calculate the age column. So here you can see the statisticals, so we have to just select here statistics, and in the statistics frequency statistics table will appear. In this table we can use the one function, and we just got the whole data. Like if you want to get the mean, so we can get mean. If you want to take the median, mode, sum, and if you want to take the variance you can. If you want to take minimum or maximum, for the sake of simplicity we have used the seek function, and I just write here continue, and then okay, so a table will appear. So here you can see we got the values and we got the table. Like this is the whole table which the researchers use in the research function, so we just use it for the simplicity. Now just check how this function works. Like in the age function we got the mean, and here you can see the mean 36.7% or 36.7. In the median we didn't reach the middle value, so we got the middle value. The mode means the most repeated value is the mode. The minimum, here you can see the minimum is 18, so you can see the minimum age of the person is James, and the age of the James is 18th, and the maximum age is 60, and here you can see the maximum age given in our age column is 60, and it's the age of the Robert. This is the column, and in the last you can see the sum function. So it has calculated, or it has summed the all age functions. You can see other values as well in the sequence, like the validity and frequency. The frequency means like 18th, the 18th appears just one time, the 22 appears just one time, and here you can see the frequencies, and the total numbers are 10. And here you can see the percentage, like if the 18 comes 2 times, so its frequency becomes 2 and the percentage becomes 20 from the overall. And this is the cumulative, like it add on the percentage like 10, then if we got the 2 times, so 20 becomes a 30. In this way we got the whole values. You can copy and paste the data in your study, in your different research topics. This is how we just use the statistical function, and we will just, by using the one function, we got the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, and sum by using the one function. And we also got the different scenario, or we got the different perspective of our data. This is the power of the SPSS software, and if you like our video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.